प्रिपेअर करपाक लागले. So I think we are getting ready, and Goa is watching and expecting a lot of expectations from us, and we are going to ensure that Goa and Goans are going to uh, get what they are expecting. We will
So
make
what
sure
type
that
of
we will fulfill their
what type
expectations.
of doubt you have?
Doubt असे काही ना. I think the system is pretty user friendly. Just that तुम्ही बसून कितकोन मांडावळ करपाची that feel is required, which we will I think get hand on experience. In the first and second we will.
ट्रेनिंगची खरीच गरज आशिल्ली सगळ्या आमदारांक. ट्रेनिंगेची खरीच गरज आशिल्ली.
होय, ट्रेनिंग जाय आशिल्लें न्ही, बिकॉज केन्ना कॉलिंग अटेन्शन घालपाचें, केन्ना बील घालपाचें, केन्ना आय थिंक दीस वॉज इम्पॉर्टंट. इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट टू नो, बिकॉज जेन्ना तूं तुका हातीन तें एक्सपिरियन्स येना, यू आर नॉट एबल टू हॅव, बट इट वॉज अ गुड.
Okay, Venzy, when it comes to assembly session, there's a saying that opposition needs to be together on issues concerning the state of Goa. So when we talk about दोन MLA आमदार आसा तुमचे, so opposition together on certain issues or main important issues असतात.
म्हाका दिसता ऑपोजिशन म्हणटा तो आप एकलोच आहा, दोग जाण आमी.
ते ना काँग्रेस ना
काँग्रेसाक म्हाका कांयच गॅरंटी लागना, आहा म्हूण आसतले सिटाचे सायडीन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू टेक इश्यूज फॉर गोवा. If they are taking, then yes. If they are genuinely taking by heart, यार पहिली भाशेन इतली वर्सां तमाशा करता ते भाशेन सेटिंग करून ते इश्यू घेता जाल्यार then we'll have to wait and watch them. But our issues are issues which have been ignored by the assembly, by both of them when they were sitting there. So those issues we are going to put there, and I think that is what we are.
पण डाऊट आसा तेंचेर अजूनही.
काँग्रेसाचेर 100% डाऊट आहा. 100% डाऊट.
एमएलए
RG MLA.
एक एमएलए आसा.
RG MLA.
He is a very good candidate and MLA over there.
So it is like AAP and RG getting together.
Definitely we will be together there and support each others, and things what he is going to put up also we are going to support, and what we are going to put up I'm sure and expecting him to support. We will also tell him to give us his support, because it is for Goa today. It is not about RG and Aam Aadmi Party. Elections are over. We are here for Goa, and I think unitedly we are going to be standing there for Goa.
One issue we have seen is in your constituency. तू कितें करीत जाल्यार आदल्याचे मनीस येता ते आपणाचें काम करतात. ते म्हणटात दॅट हॅज बीन देयर इनिशिएटीव. Who ह्यूज आपण ह्या त्या सायडच्यान उलयता सर कितें एक्झॅक्टली?
I think I'm going to complete 100 days. In 100 days, people of Goa and people of Benaulim constituency has seen how many things we have covered, and those things were not done for good 30-40 years. I think we are going in a positive manner. I have done my election campaign in a positive manner. This work of mine is going to be in a positive manner. I will not speak anything against
पण
anyone.
ती कामां
Everyone is
इनिशिएट
speaking.
तेणें केल्ली, ती कामां कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस म्हणूंक जाता.
It is a continuous process that everybody knows. It is not about initiative. आज morning देखून 7 o'clock in the morning we have done on CSR with KCIC dead end. जे beaches are dead end आहा. हे Goa all Goa issue हो. जो गोवा क्लिनिंग प्रोजेक्ट, बीच क्लिनिंग प्रोजेक्ट दिल्लो KCIC, त्या प्रोजेक्टान तेमी बीच एक्सेस एंड रोडार क्लिनिंग कोण घालूं ना. सो इतली वर्सां आतां कोणें एमेंडूय केलें ना. कित्याक करूं ना? Now we have written, I have written to GTDC, I have written to the tourism director that boss, in the next upcoming renewal of the contract, you have to put this, and they said that yes. पण आज एज अ प्री monsoon preparation, मुगे जे 6 accesses या 7 accesses are dead end accesses to my seashore, we have got them cleaned today. So that is a pre monsoon preparation. So this is bodol munde the changes that we are showing the people.
Venzy, what type of issues you people will highlight this time?
गोंयचे issues सगळे आहा आणि we are going to portray. I think you need to wait and give us that time rather than putting it up over here. Thank you.